How to pick the right tube filling and sealing machine. There are 6 things you should be care about. The first, fully or semi-automatic. This is a basic question. It usually depends on the scale of your production. For fully automatic, the machine will contain a device to feed tube into working station automatically. The second, filling speed and accuracy. Everyone wants to get a high speed and accuracy of filling. However, the cost of machine will be higher, so consider your scope of filling material carefully. Some area like pharmaceutical have high requirement of filling precision. The third, anti-dripping. This one is mainly for liquid, which is highly viscous. If a filling machine without anti-dripping nozzle, it will probably drop to somewhere you don't expect and turn workplace into dirty. The fourth, which kind of material your tubes be made of. Material of tubes is an important factor for ultrasonic sealing effect. You have to make sure the machine you buy can actually seal your tubes well. Meanwhile, the thickness of tubes can influence the sealing effect too. Our exclusive technology, automatic frequency tracking electric box, can provide a stable sealing strength. With it you can easily modify the parameter of ultrasonic power to add pat to a variety of tubes of different materials. The fifth, coding. Coding for batch number or production date. If you have this requirement, please pay attention to check whether the machine has this feature, and you maybe would consider the convenience of replaceability of codes. The sixth, trimming to rounded corner or other shape. Trimming the end of tubes into different shape may let your products more striking. Make sure if you need this feature and choose a right machine.